my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Here in British Columbia, we love our salmon. We prepare it in many different ways according to the course. As a main dish, there's one David and I enjoy making, and it's our Creamy Tuscan Salmon. Colorful, this amazing recipe is quick and easy to make, plus incredibly tasty. It can be served as is or over a bed of rice. So let's get cooking. Here we have 4 gorgeous fillets, and using paper towels, we'll pat them dry before sprinkling on some ground sea salt, as well as freshly ground mixed peppercorns and Italian seasoning, which you can get my recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Next, in a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add olive oil and also butter. When it gets hot and starts sizzling, we'll place the salmon fillets, seasoned side down, and cook for 3.5 to 4 minutes while seasoning the top with the same ingredients: salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. We'll carefully flip them, and to know if they're ready to be flipped, the sides should be halfway done. This time, we'll cook them a little less, maybe 2 to 2.5 minutes. We'll transfer the fillets to a plate and set aside. They won't be fully cooked, and it's okay. We'll cook them more later. In the same skillet, we'll add more butter because everything tastes better with butter. And when it's melted, we'll add shallots. We'll saute them for only 1 minute. Then we'll add roasted red peppers and cook for 60 seconds as well. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and quickly saute for only 30 seconds. We'll now pour in some heavy cream as well as dry white wine. We'll stir and bring the mixture to a low boil. Then we'll reduce to medium and let it simmer for 3 minutes or until the sauce has reduced slightly. Next, we'll stir in the cheese, which not only brings some flavor to the dish, but also helps thicken the sauce. To this, we'll add baby spinach leaves, stir well, and cook until they just start to wilt, 1 minute at the most, before adding lemon zest, some dried basil, but you can always use fresh instead, and red pepper flakes. Of course, we'll stir until nicely blended, and then return the salmon fillets to the skillet, including any accumulated juices. We'll spoon the sauce over and cook until heated through. 2 to 3 minutes should be plenty. Before serving, we'll sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley. And my friends, this is our Creamy Tuscan Salmon. This delicious dish is colorful, plus quick and easy to make. It's an elegant salmon recipe to enjoy anytime. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!